Okay guys, I just moved him over a bit, and as you can see, he pooped in one spot. They tend to do that. You'll see a little pile from where I moved him. There's a pile. See, I just moved him there. There's her pile starting, there's her old pile, and so forth. So I was thinking, like, this is good stuff to, shouldn't waste this. So I picked this up. 25 bucks from Home Depot, bucket head. Well, call it 30 with the bucket and tax, right? And I had some extension. It comes with a hose. That's it. But fits out a 5-gallon bucket. It's got pretty good suction. I could suck the poops right up into the bucket. So let's give her a show here. It even sucks up the really old ones pretty good if they're dry enough. So let's show you here. Try to do this one-handed and whatnot. So as you can see, it sucks them up pretty darn nice, as long as they're dry enough. Some of it had rained in the last week, so some of them are quite wet, and then it won't get them. But yeah, I'll show you after I'm done. I'm going to clean up the whole yard of the big piles, and I got a garbage can to put them in for when I fertilize my plants in the spring, and it worked really good on our potatoes and stuff. So use it again next year. Alright, I cleaned out about half the yard. I did get plugged once. If you get too much of the wet stuff, it clumps and then it'll plug. But if you stick with the drier marbles, they just suck in there like crazy. Let's take a look at how we did. I think it's pretty full. It's getting quite heavy. Snaps on really nice. Oh yeah, it is full. Look at that. You know, you can't get a full bucket because you have the filter in that, but look at that. That's a good portion. Does a nice job. You know, that'll do a lot of plants. That would fertilize a lot of potatoes.